Good morning. Alan Nuckman from Option Shop with your morning market stir for Tuesday, March 12th. Stocks continued this trend higher. The Dow futures were up for the 7th consecutive day yesterday, up 50 points. The E-mini S&P was up 7 at 1556, up nearly 0.5% on the day. And the Nasdaq is at 2810, up 7 points. So stocks continue the run. Other markets were somewhat subdued and quiet. Bonds were down 4 points at 140 3/4. The dollar index was off 19. That supported the euro currency, which was up 47 at 130.40. The euro currency still trading between 130 and 133. Crude oil was unchanged and had a $1.20 range between the high and the low around the $92 a barrel level, so it's evened out at that midpoint of the range from the November lows to the January highs. Gold yesterday was positive, up 3 at 1580. Gold has been trading in a range between 1585 and 1565 all last week, and that continued yesterday. So after the positive stock action once again yesterday, where do things stand on this Tuesday morning to begin a new day? Well, we're off a little bit once again, just as we were yesterday morning. We're down 2.5 points in the S&P right now, and we're down 27 in the Dow futures. The Nasdaq futures are off 5, and bonds are up a little bit of a bounce here, up 12 points at 141.09, so a little bit above the 141 level, but still right around the 3.25% yield that we want to keep an eye on. The dollar index right now is relatively unchanged, as is the euro contract and crude oil. The big mover of the morning is gold. Gold is broken out of that range that I just mentioned, and we're at $15.90, up $12. We want to see if we can follow through. $16.20 is the halfway point of the February highs to the February lows that we'll want to keep an eye on. So to wrap up the action here on this Tuesday morning, somewhat subdued after new highs once again in stock indexes. Right now the S&P is down 2.5 and the Dow futures are down 27, with the Nasdaq off 5 with 2 hours to go before the stock market opens. I will see you early Wednesday morning for the stir in the markets to set up your trading day. From Option Shop here at the CME Group, it all comes back to commodities.